Okay, good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, Teacher Joy.
How are you today?
I'm wonderful.
Hi.
I'm good.
I'm fine.
That's great. Every one of you are good. You're wonderful. You're fine. That's good. Okay, what day is it today?
Today is Monday.
Very good. Today is Monday. How about what will be the day tomorrow?
Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday.
Very good, Erin Chai. Again, everyone, what will be the day tomorrow?
Tomorrow will be
Everybody, tomorrow will be Tuesday.
Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday.
How about what was the day yesterday? What was the day yesterday? Everybody, yesterday was Sunday. Yes, yesterday was Sunday. Okay. For today, what subject are we going to learn today? What subject? Do you remember what subject are we going to learn today? Huh? What book? What book are we going to use for today?
Math book.
Yes, very good. We are going to use mathematics
Book.
book. Yeah. So before we going to start, please listen, teacher. Everybody, because it's problem solving. It's a little bit difficult. That's why, please listen, teacher, and stop playing with your classmate. Just listen, teacher. And if you want to recite, raise your hand or you will tell anything. Do you understand? That's the time. Close your microphone, and if you want to talk or you want to recite, raise your hand and I will call you. Okay, just listen because it's problem solving. Okay, so we will going to start so that we can finish it early and we can do it this one. Okay, everybody get your mathematics book. Your mathematics book. Pupils book. Your textbook. Get your mathematics textbook and open it.
This one?
No.
Oh. What page?
Page 41. And open it on page 41.
41.
Yeah. Everybody open it on page 41.
Okay, this page.
Yeah, it's a little bit difficult because it's problem solving. That's why you need to listen it properly and stop for the meantime for teasing with your classmate. We will going to talk again with your classmate age later. Okay, everyone's ready?
Yes.
Everyone's ready? Only Nawin's ready? How about the others?
Teacher, what's this?
Page 41. Page 41.
Yes.
Open it on page 41. This one. Everybody open it on page 41. Okay, everyone's ready? Okay, so we will going to start. So here, our topic for today is using combination of addition and subtraction to solve a problem. So this one is still the same with the one we use with the close parentheses, and that is the operation, combined operation of addition and subtraction, but it is world problem. That's why you need to listen and analyze the sentences first. So here I will give you an example first, like for example, on page 41, we have there, just wait. So here we have there this one. Here we have the, wait. We have the sentence there and with the question what it was. So here, a seller has 118 potatoes. Then he buys another 65 potatoes. Then he sells 52 potatoes. So how many potatoes are left now? So again, I will read it. A seller has 118 potatoes. So she has 118 potatoes. Then she has already, right? She has already 118 potatoes, but is still he buys additional 65 potatoes. He has already 118 potatoes, and but still he buys another 65 potatoes. Then after that one, he bought that potatoes, then he sells 52 potatoes. So how many potatoes left in all? So this is the solution. It was been there 100. He has 100 potatoes, right? I will get my phone. Wait. So that I can write. So here, he has 118 potatoes, right? Then still he buys 665. So you will going to add that all. But after he bought, you need to add this one first. Then that's the time you subtract the one that he sells. So here, first, you can do this one also. You can do vertically if you can easily counter, but you can do it vertically also, or we can do it vertically. You can do this one the diagonally, but you can do it also vertically. So 118 plus 65, 118, that is the seller has the potatoes, and this one is he buys. So the total all in all potatoes that he has is 180. But they are asking there how many potatoes are left now. So he has 183, right? But he sells 52. He sells 52. So how much all in all? So 180 minus 52, and that is 131. So the answer there is he has 131 potatoes here. He has 100 potatoes are left. Do you understand how to analyze this one? Do you understand of it? Okay, so here again, I will give you another example, and that is on page, wait, that is on page 42. This one is the example. I will give you already this one. You will not answer. So here, we have there, actually this one is practice, but I let you to have this example. So in number one, it tells that a store sold of 685 shirts in 2017. In 2018, the number of shirts sold decreased, so it sucked down, decreased by 168. So what is the total number of shirts sold in this 2 years? So they are looking for the total number of shirts sold in this 2 years. So what are we going to do? So first, we have there, right? 600, a store sold 685.
I'm not finished.
What? That is an example. I gave you that is an example. Don't write yet. Don't write yet. I will let you to write it later. Stop writing. Just listen, teacher, first. I will let you to write it later. Just listen first. I will give you time to write. Just listen first. If how can we do with the solution? Just listen first. Stop writing. I will give you time to write. Stop writing. I will give you time to write. Don't write yet. So what are we will continue. So what are the solutions that we are going to do? So here we have there, we have, wait, I will change into blue so that you can see. 685, right? 685 shirts in 2017. But it decreases 168 every year. So you have 685, but it decreases 168. So here 168. So you need to subtract this one first. You need to subtract this one first. If you will subtract this one, the answer is 517. So that's the time. 517 plus 685, that is 1,202. So we can do it also vertically, the same like this. We can do the same also this. So how can we do it? So here in 2017, the store sold 685. So this is the number 685. But in 2018, number of shirts sold decreased. So decrease means flat down by 168. So you need to find out this first so that you will know how much they will sold in 2018. So 685 minus 168, that is 517 shirts. So now you can now find out how much sold in 2017 and 2018. So how much again sold in 2017? That is 685. But you need to add so that you can find out how many total all in all they sold in 2017 and 2018. And that is 1,202 total in all, total number of shirts sold in these 2 years. So that how can you do it? Stop writing, please. Just listen. So it was there. 1,202, the total number of shirts sold in these 2 years. So this one. Another example, I will give you another example. This one is an example. I will let you to do this an example. Then later on, we can do it in workbook. So number 2. Do you understand this one? Number 1, do you understand? Do you understand the solution?
Yes.
That's good if you understand. Okay, let's go to number 2. Number 2, stop writing, please. I will give you time to write. That's okay. Stop writing. I will give you time to write. Number 2, Sim collected 624 beads. Then Lina collected 145 more beads than Sim. But what is it? But 106 fewer beads than Tim. So how many beads did Tim collect? It was been looking there if how many beads did Tim collect. So what are we going to do? First, we will going to do it diagonally before we will do it vertically. So again, we have 624 beads. 624 beads, right? Sim collected 624 beads, so it was been there. Then Lina collected 145 more beads than Sim. So this one, 145, because it's more, right? It's more than, so that we can find out how many beads that Lina collected. Yes?
May I go to the toilet, please?
Okay, you can go. Where I am. Okay, so let's continue. Here, so we will going to find out so that we can find out how many beads does Lina has. So 624 plus 145. So that is 769 beads. So it was been there. 769 beads. That is for Lina's beads. Because it tells there Lina's beads is collected 100 more beads than Sim. So you need to add with 145 more with Sim. So that is 769. So now you can add it now. You can subtract it now, but, so here it tells there, more than beads than Sim, but 106 fewer beads than Tim. So 106, that is Tim. You need to add also because it's fewer than Tim compared to you. So you need to add. So that is 769 plus 106 is equals to 807. So we can do it this one also vertically. Sim collected 624 beads. Then Lina collected 145 more beads than Sim. Then That is the total of Lina collected 769 beads. Then Tim collected 106 more beads than Lisa, and that is total all in all 875 beads. So do you understand about this one? Do you understand it? Everyone understand about doing the world problem?
It's like, oh my God.
Please tell me the truth. Because I know that this one is difficult for you. I know it. I know it, that this problem solving is difficult for you. Please tell me the truth. Okay, Ranchida, what is it?
It's like so hard. I cannot do it.
Yeah, it's so hard. I understand. It's so hard. It's very hard,
It's
right?
impossible for me.
Yeah, I know it.
And I don't want to write it because it's super many. Yes, super.
Yeah, this
super.
one, I know it. This one is very hard for you. This problem solving is very hard for you. Don't worry. This one I will not include in your test because I know this one. Yeah, I will not include in test this one because it's very hard for you.
It's like I'm going to die.
Yeah, it is very hard for
We
you
are going to dance.
in
We're going to die.
E2. That's why it's very hard. It's very hard. But do you understand what is the technique? How
Give
can
me
you
very
complete the things? Do you understand of it? What is the technique? Just only the technique. Just analyze the question there. Just analyze. Just analyze it.
Teacher, what happened to you?
Can you hear me?
May I drink?